is to make our garden chicken proof. So you guys know that I struggle with keeping the chickens out of the garden that has all the yummy vegetables growing in it. And I've tried, every year I try something different.
Hello everyone. I would like to share with you a tragic story. This story has to do with spinach. Yesterday I left my chickens unattended for a little bit, and they broke right through my barriers and they ate every single leaf of every single spinach plant that I had planted. So I was really, really unhappy with them.
This year I'm actually like constructing stuff. Let me show you what I'm doing. What I have here is I took some of the scrap wood with exterior grade paint on it. I have attached it to my raised beds. Then I took these little brackets. These are just cheap little metal things. They're actually quite pliable, so I can whack them with a hammer to make them go exactly where I want. And I attached these on all the corners. Then I took this poly rope. Can you see the poly rope? Mm-hmm. I took the poly rope and I ran it all around. Then I did the same thing on the bottom. I have more poly rope that's being attached to more brackets, and I ran it all around and I pulled it tight. Now it's not really tight, see how it can move like that? But it's tight enough that it does not sag, which means that my chickens cannot get up underneath here. That would be a ridiculous move even for a chicken. So no chickens. And then I got, this is called deer fence netting, very pliable. I wanted something that was nice and open because I like to be able to see my plants inside. One idea that I had was to use screen, like stuff that you would put on a screen door or a screen window. And that still might be an upgrade. I don't know. Because the benefit of the screen is the plants would not be able to grow through this. This I will have to watch every couple of days to make sure that I don't have some vine or branch or something growing through here and then making it terrible. Anyway, so deer netting is what I'm going with. And then I have attached it, I got some S hooks that I'm crimping. So I'm attaching the deer hooks to the poly line at the top and the bottom. Okay, here we go. So when I want to work on this garden, I simply slide it over like kind of like a shower curtain, quite honestly, and then I can reach everything that I want to. I have openings at this end. My sides also slide. The other end is its own separate panel, so I can get into here many different ways. Then when I'm done working, I simply slide it back. And I have attached some extra crimps over here so that I can just kind of hold it. I was a little concerned that in the wind, it might fly open and leave a little bit of a gap. And you know, if there's one thing I know about chickens is they are persistent. And so if there's a little bit of gap, even for like 5 minutes, they will find that gap and then they will eat every single thing that's in here. So I definitely do not want that. So that's what these little clamps are for, so that I can just secure it a little bit. So I have 10 beds. It takes me, if I'm working by myself, it takes me pretty much 2 beds in a day if I'm working by myself. But today I am not working by myself because I have all the young people with me. See all the young people? Look at, I put them all to work. That makes me very smart. And it also means that this is actually going to get done, which is awesome because I'm gonna plant this week, which makes me super happy.